multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. Thrice. Number multiplied by itself 3 times. Thrice. That is called cube. So just let us find the cube of some number. So this 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube, that is equal to 27. 4 cube, that is 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. 5 cube, that is equal to 125. 6 cube, that is 216. 7 cube, how much 7 cube? Tell me what is 7 cube? 343. 8 cube equal to 512. 9 cube, that is 729. And 10 cube, that is equal to 1000. So these are the cubes of numbers. Cubes of some numbers. From 1 to 10 we have find the cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. So just you observe that in the square of the number 2378 does not 2378 does not exist in the unit place, but here in this case you find that 0 is there, then 1 is there, then where 2 is there, then 3 is also there, then 4 is also there, 5 is also there, 6 is also there, 7 is also there, 7 and 8 in the unit place. But what you find in the perfect cube, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means all these 10 digits exist in the perfect cube. So we cannot say that the perfect cube, unit place of perfect cube does not contain 2, 3, 7 or 8. So perfect cube contain all these 10 digits. Perfect cube contain all these 10 digits. Perfect cube contain all the 10 digits. All the 10 digits means this 0. When any number contains 0 in the unit place, its square, its cube contain, this is number and its cube. When number contains 0 in the unit place, its cube contains 0 in the unit place. Number contains 1 in the unit place, then that cube of number contains 1 in the unit place. If a number contains 2 in the unit place, then its cube contains 8 in the unit place. If number contains 3 in the unit place, its cube contains 7 in the unit place. If a number contains 4 in the unit place, then what happens? Its cube contains 4 in the unit place. So if number contains 5 in the unit place, its cube contains 5 in the unit place. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So if number contains 6 in the unit place, its cube contains 6 in the unit place. So number and its cube contain. If number contains 7 in the unit place, 7, then its cube contains 3 in the unit place. If a number contains 8 in the unit place, then its cube contains 2 in the unit place. So, and if number contains 9, then 9 and again. So these are the all possibilities. Means the perfect cube contain all digits 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is first of all, let me clear you. क्यूब परफेक्ट क्यूब में सभी के सभी डिजिट्स होते हैं, सभी के सभी यूनिट प्लेस में डिजिट होते हैं. 0 से लेके 9 तक सभी के सभी डिजिट परफेक्ट क्यूब में होते हैं. ठीक है. परफेक्ट क्यूब कंटेन ऑल द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 0 to 9 10 डिजिट्स परफेक्ट क्यूब में सब के सब होते हैं. नाउ let us find another rule. Suppose we have got this 10. We make 10 cube. Then 10 cube contains 10 into 10 into 10, that is equal to 1000. Suppose 20 cube. 20 cube means 8000. 20 cube means 8000. 20 into 20 into 20, 8000. Suppose 100 cube is there, then 100 into 100 into 100, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you find that the perfect cube must contain zeros in the multiple of 3. In the multiple of 3, it may contain 3 zeros, it may contain 6 zeros. Suppose number contain 3 zeros, its cube, then its cube contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So perfect cube consists of zeros in the multiple of 3. Zeros, 0 in multiple of 3. So there is no as such special rule for the cubes. क्यूब बनाने के लिए ऐसे कोई स्पेशल रूल नहीं है. हाँ, बस आपको क्या करना है, क्यूब बनाने के लिए आपको प्रोडक्ट करना है. बस आपको सपोज बोला 12 का क्यूब फाइंड करना है तो 12 into 12 into 12 क्या करना है. हाँ, 20 का क्यूब करना है तो 20 into 20 into 20 करना है. दैट इज ऑल. ठीक है ना. सो एज सच क्यूब हैज नो स्पेसिफाइड सम नो स्पेसिफिक रूल. ओके, ओनली रूल आई हैव गिवन यू how to identify whether it is perfect cube or not. So लीजिए तो, हाँ, देख लीजिए, एक प्रॉब्लम ले लीजिए. एक प्रॉब्लम ले लीजिए. फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. फाइंड द. अब आप तो क्यूब तो बना पाओगे ना, क्यूब तो बना पाओगे आप. डायरेक्ट आप एक प्रॉब्लम ले लीजिए. एक प्रॉब्लम ले लीजिए. होनी चाहिए. सो when this 3, what are the factors of 243? 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3. But what happened? This 3 into 3 into 3 27. It is the perfect cube. But 3 into 3 9. It is not perfect cube. So to make it perfect cube, what we require? We again require 3 here. So when this number multiplied by 3, then it become perfect cube. Let us see. Second number, 256. 256. 256. Now 256 is even number. So we divide it by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 8 are 16. 2 128. Again it is divided by 2. Then it is 64. Again divided by 2. Then it is 32. Again divided by 2. Then it is 16. Again divided by 2. Again divided by 2. Then it is 8. Again divided by 2. Then it is 4. Again divided by 2. Then it is 2. So this number 256 is, I am making group of 3 factors. 2 into 2 into 2. This. Then 2 into 2 into 2, this, and remaining is 2 into 2. So again, these are the 3 factors of 2. The 2 factors. These are the bunch of 3 factors, and this is not a 3 factor. These are only 2 factors. So what is required here? Here we required 2. It means that when 256 multiplied by 2, then it become perfect square. What is that number? 256 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 512. 512 is perfect cube. So this 256 when multiplied by 2, then it is 512. 512 is perfect cube. So it is minimum number. It does not mean that ये 256 को और कई नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया गया तो इससे परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा ऐसे नहीं, इसको 16 से भी मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो भी परफेक्ट क्यूब बनता है, लेकिन आपको छोटा से छोटा पूछा। क्लियर? नाउ 72, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज 72. Again we factorize 72. Even number, we divide it by 2. 36, 2, 18, 2, 9 and 3 into 3. Now again these are 3 factors and these are only 2 factors, means we require 1 3 also. When this 72 multiplied by 3, then it becomes 216, and 216 is perfect cube. So when this number 72 multiplied by 3, then it become perfect cube. Okay, so you can do this type of problem. चलो एक प्रॉब्लम बनाई तो 675 का बनाई तो 675 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए? छोटे नंबर से, और 100 को कौन से छोटे नंबर से? चलो बनाई जल्दी, चलो ये बनाइए।